Hey guys, welcome to USA Market. An adjustable DC power supply serves as the backbone for numerous electronic experiments, prototyping endeavors, and industrial applications. Its ability to provide precise and controllable direct current (DC) output voltage makes it an indispensable tool for engineers, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Whether you're fine-tuning circuitry, testing components, or powering various devices, the flexibility offered by an adjustable DC power supply is unparalleled. In this guide, we delve into the realm of adjustable DC power supplies to present you with the top 5 contenders renowned for their reliability, precision, and versatility. Whether you're searching for a compact benchtop unit or a robust industrial-grade solution, these power supplies are sure to meet your diverse voltage regulation needs. Number 5. Wanptek APS 3010H Laboratory Power Supply. The Wanptek APS 3010H Laboratory Power Supply is a reliable and versatile tool for various electronic applications. With its output current ranging from 0 to 10A and output power between 201 to 300 W, this power supply offers sufficient power for most laboratory experiments and projects. One of the standout features of the APS 3010H is its metal anodizing design, which not only enhances durability, but also adds a professional look to any workspace. This design ensures longevity, making it suitable for both professional labs and hobbyist workshops. The single output type and adjustable output frequency 50 Hz 60 Hz provide flexibility, allowing users to tailor the power output to their specific requirements. Number 4. NANKADF TPS 3010 Adjustable DC Power Supply. The NANKADF TPS 3010 Adjustable DC Power Supply is a reliable and versatile piece of equipment that offers precise control over your power output needs. With its adjustable output current ranging from 0 to 10A, it provides flexibility for various applications, whether you're working on electronics projects, laboratory experiments, or industrial tasks. One of the standout features of the TPS 3010 is its USB-A Type-C encoder adjustment interface, which allows for convenient and intuitive adjustments to the voltage and current settings. This modern interface enhances user experience by simplifying the control process, ensuring accurate and efficient operation. The power supply offers a stable output voltage with an output power of 201 to 300 W, ensuring consistent performance even under demanding conditions. Number 3. KUAIQU AN2088 SPS C3010 Laboratory Power Supply. The KUAIQU AN2088 SPS C3010 Laboratory Power Supply is a versatile and reliable piece of equipment that meets the needs of various laboratory and electronic projects. With its adjustable output voltage ranging from 0 to 30V 60V 120V, and output current ranging from 0 to 3A 10A 5A, it offers flexibility for different applications. One of the standout features of this power supply is its precision and stability. With a voltage resolution of 100 MV and a current resolution of 10 mA, users can expect accurate and consistent output. The voltage and current regulation ensure minimal fluctuations, with line regulation of less than 5 MV and current regulation of less than 3 mA, both for line and load variations. Number 2. YIHUA 3010D3 Adjustable DC Power Supply. The YIHUA 3010D3 Adjustable DC Power Supply is a reliable and versatile tool for any electronics enthusiast or professional. With its impressive specifications and features, it offers exceptional performance and convenience in various applications. Firstly, the power supply boasts an output power of 350 W, providing ample power for a wide range of devices and circuits. Its output voltage of 30V and output current of 10A offer flexibility and precision in adjusting power levels according to specific requirements. One of the standout features of the YIHUA 3010D3 is its precise voltage and current control. Number 1. Nice Power BDA 1028 SPSD R-SPS series. The Nice Power BDA 1028 SPSD R-SPS series is a versatile lab power supply that offers impressive features and functionalities suitable for various applications. One of its standout features is the LCD screen, which not only provides clear and easy-to-read information, but also incorporates eye protection technology, ensuring prolonged usage without causing strain or discomfort. This attention to user comfort is commendable and enhances the overall experience experience of using the power supply. With an output current range of 0 to 10A and an output frequency of 50 Hz 60 Hz, this power supply offers flexibility and precision in power delivery. Whether you're working on low power circuits or need a stable power source for high current applications, the BDA1028SP SD R-SPS series delivers consistent performance. Thank you guys.